welcome back to another video of What's Cooking. My name is Layla.
My name's Erin, and today we're making a grilled chicken sandwich
with a side of a sweet hot bacon dressing. And now we're going to start constructing the sandwich. We're going to start with a toasted sourdough bread, and then some lettuce and tomato, and then the grilled chicken with the provolone melted on top. And then some bacon on top. And it's ready to be served. And then we also have the hot bacon dressing. Sweet hot bacon dressing is made of bacon bits, sugar, apple cider vinegar, apple juice, water, and a little bit of cornstarch, and is heated on the stove for about 10 to 15 minutes until it becomes thicker. We do keep it hot.
This will be served in the cafe and bistro Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday this week.
Enjoy.
Enjoy.